5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Heard learned counsel for the applicants and learned AGA for the state and perused the record stock. The present applicants have invoked the inherent power of this court under section 482 CRPC to assail the charge sheet dated 22/7/2022 and cognizance order dated 25/4/2023 passed by CJM ITHA as well as entire proceedings of case crime number 88 of 2022 arising out of case crime number 18519 of 2022 under sections 147, 148, 323, 354, 506, 427 IPC Police Station Marhara District ITHA Stop Stranger. Opposite party number 2 has lodged an FIR being case crime number 0088 of 2022 dated 5/6/2022 leveling allegation of outragging the modesty of women and inflicted wound with an averments that all the accused, including the present applicants as named in the FIR, have molested daughters of the opposite party number 2, and while they have resisted, they have been badly thrashed by the accused stranger. Learned counsel for the applicants submits that due to the property dispute, false and malicious prosecution has been instituted. It is further submitted that the opposite party number 2 is the uncle of the present applicants and the allegations as made in the FIR is highly improbable. It is further submitted that just to exert pressure upon the present applicants so that they may come to the compromising in property dispute on the terms of the opposite party number 2, complaint has been filed. It is next submitted that on the face of record no case is made out against the present applicants stranger. Per contra, learned AGA has vehemently opposed the submissions as raised by the learned counsel for the applicants and contended that on the face of record prima facie the complicity of the present applicants in the commission of crime cannot be ruled out. It is further contended that the innocence of the present applicants cannot be examined at this juncture, which can more appropriately be adjudicated upon by the trial court after appreciating the evidence on record. Therefore, present application is liable to be rejected, being misconceived and devoid of merits. Stranger, having considered the rival submissions advanced by learned counsel for the applicants as well as learned AGA and perusal of the record, it reveals that the charge sheet dated 22/7/2022 has been submitted arranging 6 persons including the present applicants. Learned trial court has taken cognizance and issued summons after considering the charge sheet and material on record. Plea of property dispute as is being tried to put up by the learned counsel for the applicants is a matter of examination which can more appropriately be adjudicated by the trial court after appreciating the evidence to be adduced by the parties. Stop. At this juncture, this court is not expected to conduct mini trial to examine the defense of the present applicants. Stop. Record reveals that learned counsel for the applicants has raised disputed question of fact qua involvement of present applicants in the incident in question. Stop. In exercise of inherent power under section 482 CRPC, this court is not expected to analyze the factual evidence which is to be placed before the trial court. Stop. The power conferred under section 482 CRPC is very specific and wide to secure the ends of justice or to prevent the abuse of the process of any court or to make such orders as may be necessary to give effect to any order under this code. Stop. No provision of this code is deemed to limit or effect such inherent power of the High Court. Stop. Stanza. It has been held by the Apex Court in the cases of R.P. Kapoor versus State of Punjab AIR 1960 SC 866, State of Haryana and others versus Bhajan Lal and others 1992 SCC 335, Trishul's Chemical Industry versus Rajesh Agarwal and others 1999 8 SCC 6863, M. Krishnan versus Vijay Singh and another 2001 8 SCC 645, Joseph Salvaraj another versus State of Gujarat and others 2011 7 SCC 59, Arun Bhandari versus State of Uttar Pradesh and others 2013 2 SCC 801, Anand Kumar Mohata and another versus State NCT of Delhi Department of Home and another 2019 11 SCC 706, that exercise of inherent power of the High Court under section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure is an exceptional one. Great care should be taken by the High Court before embarking to scrutinize the complaint FIR charge sheet in deciding whether the rarest of the rare case is made out to scuttle the prosecution in its inception. Stop.